Hello, I am Aditya Patankar. I am going to tell you about how to do a chapter, how to learn a chapter. Then in next video I am going to tell you about how to revise a chapter. In how many readings, how many consolidations is required, and how first in this video I am going to tell you about how to learn a chapter, or how to learn how to read a chapter in a proper manner, step by step, step by step. So first of all, you will take NCRT, because in India the CBSE has given NCRTs. So if you are a 6th student, take 6th NCRT. If you are a 7th student, take 7th NCRT. If you are a 10th student, take 10th NCRT. If you are an 11th student, take 11th NCRT. If you are a 12th student, take 12th NCRT. If you are a UPSC, you are giving IS examination, UPSC examination, for IFS, IRS, you have to take all NCRTs from 6th to 12th. So I am in 12th class. So first of all, take NCRT, which you have to revise. I have to revise, I have to learn. First of all, I have to learn the Indian economic development. This is my first reading, and Indian economic development. First of all, read it as like story. Read it like a story. Don't summarize anything in first reading. You have to do 6 readings of a book. First of all, you have to read a book like a story, like a poem, like a novel you read it like that. First of all, take first chapter. You have to do 6 reading of this book. You are in class 6th. If you are in class 10th, you are giving boards. If you are in class 12th, you are giving boards. If you are in 11, 6 reading is must. And before boards, 4 readings are must. 4 readings before both. 6 reading, first reading, second reading, third reading, fourth reading, 5 reading, 6 reading. Then before board, just boards are from 2 or 3 weeks. 4 readings is required of a book to get good revision for good consolidation. So first of all, we will take first chapter. We will be very practical. Take first chapter, Indian economy on the eve of independence. This is a chapter. This is I am giving a demo how to do a chapter in the real time. Indian economy on the eve of independence. I have taken the chapter. First, we will go backwards. We have to consume all the chapter like a sponge. First of all, we will take the back questions. There are 16 back questions. The 16 back questions are the NCRT question, which we know as the NCRT questions. So we will take this 16 questions. We have to read every time three readings. Means if there are 16 questions, we have to read it 3 times. So in every reading, you have to take a question and take a paper, take a pen, black pen, blue pen, and a highlighter. You have to take a pen, note the question, and note the important points given in the question. Because I know that the student write the answer which is not given in question. They write another word in the answer. They not write the main points which examiner is asking to you. So write what the question is saying, basically. So we are taking a question as a demo. We take a question as a demo. This is the question. These are the questions. So we will take the first question. What were the main causes of Indian agriculture stagnation during the colonial period? So it in practical ways, it is saying that what are the main causes that the agriculture in India at the time of independence got stagnation during the colonial period, during the independence time. Why? So you can write good answers. The main cause, you can highlight that the main cause of Indian agriculture stagnation during the colonial period are first point, second point, third point, fourth. In CBSE board examination or in UPSC, you have to write more than 5 points in every answer. They are shorts, they are longs, they are very long. You have to write 5 points in every answer. 5 points should be required. There should be extra 2 points because you can get good marks. So there should be 5 points in your answer. So after reading all the questions 3 times, the 16 question, read first time, second time, third time. Then read the recap or the summary given at the back. Read it 3 times. So highlight, take a page, take a pen, take a highlighter and write it. Write the important points as you write the questions. Questions are ready, and then read first reading, read the recap, second reading, read the recap, third reading, read the recap. Then wrote in a reading, wrote the important point given in the recap. 3 readings are done. The question 3 reading done. The recap 3 readings are done. After doing this, you can consume the chapter like a sponge. So after studying the chapter, then take the first page. Then if we open the first page, we will see that there is given that what this chapter is saying. मतलब इस चैप्टर में क्या है. So what this chapter is telling us about? This chapter is telling about the state of Indian economy in 1947. You will highlight this. You will write this in the another page. The year of Indian independence. Under the factor that led to the underdevelopment, the British came. We were ruined. We were looted. Underdevelopment and stagnation of Indian economy. You will wrote this what this chapter is about. Then you will take a page. Then you will take a page, another page. As we have a 4 page, we will make 4 pages. First for question, second for recap, third for what this chapter is telling us about. Fourth page is about the topics inside the chapter. First, the introduction. Second, you will read or recite this. First, the introduction, the low level of economic development under the like the agriculture sector, industrial sector. You will only say it, industrial sector. Okay. Then occupational structure, foreign trade, demographic condition, infrastructure. Say it like that for 3 times. And make an idea in your mind what is demographic condition, what is foreign trade, what is industrial sector, what is agriculture sector, what is the introduction of this chapter, what is the low level of economic development during the independence, during time of independence. You will make an idea of it, and you will do 3 times, and you will note it like that. You will make a mind map, something like that. Okay, this 4 pages will work before the boards. Means in center you will write the Indian economy on the eve of independence, introduction, low level of economic development under the colonial rule, agriculture sector, industrial sector, foreign trade, like that. You will only like the topics, write the topics, no extra things. Okay, then after that you will read the chapter. You will read whole chapter like a story. Then you have to do the questions, back question. If you will make first page for question, second page for recap, third page what the chapter is telling us about, fourth page is about what are the topic inside. You will make it like a mind map. You have to take the idea what is this chapter all about, and after that you will watch a YouTube video related to this topic. I will prefer for this chapter, like you have to see a video every time after chapter, because it will give you idea. You can open different view, you can open different dimension, that this view, that view, you can open very views. So you will watch a video. For this chapter I will prefer the Shashi Tharoor's video, the the Shashi Tharoor's video, and the other videos related to the Indian economy on the type of eve of independence. You can type on YouTube that Indian economy on the eve of independence videos. It will give you hundreds of videos. So watch one of them. Watch Shashi Tharoor's video. Watch Oxford's debates. You will give an idea of it. Then after doing video, you will watch two videos of. You will get a viewpoint. So after that, you will write questions. Like there are 16 questions, you will write point wise. Each question would have 5 points. It does not matter that there would be whole sentences. It could be small sentences, like that. You will write the question. After that, you will leave the chapter and you will revise it 2 times more. So you can do 3 readings. Then I will leave the chapter for 4 hours. Then for revision, I will take this chapter again. I will take this chapter again and I will read it full-fledged again. Full-fledged again. Then after 1 or 2 days, you will read it again. So this would give you a full chapter. First of all, you have the 4 pages before boards, the question page, the revision page, the what this chapter is telling about this page, and the third, what this chapter is all about, what are the topics inside it. So these all, and do 3 readings and do question answers. That's all done. A whole chapter is done thoroughly. You will absorb, you will engulf all the topics. You will take all the topics from the each chapter. You will drink like a water. Drink the chapter. घोट के पी जाओ बोलते हैं ना, तो drink it. So डन. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. रिवीजन का बताऊंगा अगली बार.